अर्नब, तू इंडिया की गलियों में चोरी करते हुए एक दिन मीडिया में घुस गया। तुझे टीआरपी का इतना लालच हुआ कि तूने उसके लिए कुत्ता जैसा भौंकना शुरू किया। इंडिया की रिपब्लिक टीवी पे अपना स्टेक हाई करने के लिए पता नहीं तूने कितना दोगलाबाजी और चुतियापन किया होगा। खुद को बचाने के लिए तू सरकार पे होने वाले पार्टी और पीएम का खूब गुलामी करता है। शाबाश, पक्का दोगला है तू। पता नहीं हिंदुस्तान की उस पाकसर जमीन पे तेरे जैसे नापाक कैसे पैदा हुआ। शुक्र कर कि अभी भी मेहमान है तू, इसलिए जिंदा है, वरना लात घुसों की मशीन में डाल के पीस पीस के तेरा कीमा बना देता। भड़वे कुत्ते, आंख हटा ले मेरे मिट्टी से, आंख निकाल के गोटिया खेलेंगे तेरा। भड़वे साले, आंख से खेलना बंद कर दे, जला के रख देंगे तुझे। Our land and our nation is a strategic point, freaking a vintage point for you to keep an eye on China. You freaking dog, you barking dog. Are you serious? Don't you feel shame in saying that? What if I ask you to give your home to make the strategic point to have eye into your neighbors? What if I ask you to give your family members to make them a vintage point? You are not a journalist. You are just a barking dog. The world knows about that. For TRP, you can do anything. But you don't scandalize your mother and your motherland for your TRP. Do you understand? You bastard. You don't teach our leaders and prime ministers on what to do and what not to do. You fucking bitch. You do not teach your father on how to do it. We are a sovereign nation. We have our own sovereignty, dignity and pride. Get away. Modi ji, every year you look towards the Pashupatinath and ask for power. Do you ask for the strength so that you will be able to encroach our land, bully our nation's dignity, and play with our feelings? You say that Nepal is the country of God and Goddess. You say that Nepal has been blessed by Pashupatinath. You are a liar. There is no surprise to that. You are not simple about what you have done to us and all your neighboring countries. How unreligious crook you are, mate. In this miserable time where the world is already threatened by Corona, you want to add more pain to us? Come on, man. You are shameless. And we Nepalese and the whole world knows about that. We have faced you many times, Modi ji. This is not new for us. You can block our border and stop the supplies to our people one more time and many more time. We can die due to starvation, but we won't let you take our motherland. We won't let you take one single inch of our nation. Enough is enough, mate. We are not going to surrender. Look into the history. We have never surrendered in front of any powers. We have lost every single deal with your nation. You have lured us, and many times you have forcefully taken our resources. We don't want anything from your side. You can't exploit us in the name of your donations. You can't bully us anymore. You can't dominate us anymore. You can't persecute our people in borders. Pahad ki pani and pahad ki jawani. Don't you freaking feel shame in saying that, you old man? What do you mean with that saying? You will see the power of both Pani and Javani now. You'll see the power of Pani when Kosi Barrage will be blasted. I know making you understand is wasting my time. You could not understand the feelings and pains of your own people. What can you understand about us? Modi ji, you still have time. Get back from our land ASAP. We can't be more blunt about it. Our PM and people can't be more blunt about that. This time we want to be finalized. We want everything to finalize. Every unfair deals, every exploitations. We don't need to have a table talk or any diplomatic discussions in the regards of Limpiadhura, Lipulekh and Kalapani. Why should we? Why do we even have to talk about our part of nations, which has already been ours? If you really want to have discussions, if you want to have diplomatic talk, let's talk about the unfair treaty of Sugoli in 1850-80. This was the treaty between Nepal and East India Company. We can speak with British people and keep them as a witness. Limpiadhura, Lipulekh and Kalapani is our name and it is the part of our nation. We are a sovereign nation. Don't you dare to provoke our sovereignty. We have our own feelings. We have our own constitutions. Do not dare of interfering into our internal matters. And get off our borders ASAP or else get ready to face the consequence. Can you treat China the same way you do to us? Can you show your power to them? No, you can't. All you can do is to show Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan thinking that we are less developed and less powerful than you. If you want respect, you and your barking dogs should learn to respect us. We may be poor, but you can't buy our patriotism with all the riches of your country. Before getting to Limpiadhura, Lipulekh and Kalapani, you must get ready to go through the blood of 3 crore Nepalese. आग से खेलना बंद कर दो मोदी जी, जला के रख देंगे. We are innocent, but we are not coward. We might be less developed than you, less rich and prosperous than your nation, but our feelings, our dignity, and our unity is never less than you and your nation. Don't treat our honesty as a weakness. We can't tolerate to you and your exploitations anymore. Well, you want to send back all the Nepalese from India, huh? Go for it, mate. First, send back all the Nepalese who have been risking to defend you and your nations. Send all the Nepalese army of different regiments. Send back those armies who are protecting you and your nation. They have lived and died for you. Send them back first. We don't want them to die protecting you and your land. And finally, I tell you, do not underestimate the power of common man. We have lived by a saying, do not offend and do not live when offended. Finally, to all my Indian brothers and sisters who truly don't have any problems with you, being human, we all have same feelings. You feel bad when you hear about your border. You feel bad when Kashmir is claimed by someone else. You feel bad when China or any other country encroaches your land. Understand that the same feelings and pain kills us inside. The same blood boils in us when we hear our land encroached by someone or when our land taken by your nation. You know what? Modi is playing game here. He wants to divide us and rule. He wants to divide us in the name of nation. He wants to divide a humanity in the name of religion. Don't you know hundreds of people dying in religion riots? Don't you know that he has wiped out the name of brotherhood totally? Hundreds of Muslims and Hindus have died already. We don't want bloodshed anymore. But Indian medias and bad politicians want bloodshed. They will keep us all in a trap. That's what their religion is. That's how they enjoy their living. Please do not get fooled by them. We don't want any sort of chaos or misunderstanding here and thrive as a sober nation. Lastly, I might get bad comments and bad replies. I don't literally care about that. I don't need any favors from anyone. All I'm doing is for the pride of my nation. I'll post this video and post it. I'll target it to the head of Mr. Modi and in the roof of all the Indian medias who have been dominating and bullying us. We can't tolerate this anymore.